Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We are picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Virgos. So these are for your daily energies, Virgos, and I'll be picking 3 more cards for your career situation, guys, and 3 more cards for your relationship. So 3 cards here, guys, for your relationship, and 1 card from the angel guidance deck. So that is a guidance card, what we can follow every day. It will make things go in a better harmonious way in our life, guys, Virgos. So let's start with your daily reading first. It's the Emperor in reverse, Ace of Wands, Death. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are moving towards some positive change in your life today, guys. Maybe some challenging offers or some new opportunity which is using all your skills and talents is coming towards you, something which you love and something which you are really passionate about is coming towards you. And whatever was not working for you in your life, maybe something of the past, maybe your past memories or the circumstances or something or person, whatever you feel really stressed or whatever you felt that was not the right thing for you, you are leaving that and you are moving towards a new change, a new beginning. It may denote a beginning in your career or it may be a new beginning in your personal life, guys. So a new person, ending of that past relationship and beginning of a new loving relationship with someone. So you have that compassion and you feel happy to be in this position. Maybe you are happy because this connection is over. So all that confusion or all that pain that you felt till now, you are coming out of that pain, guys, and you feel happy today because you are out of this pain and sadness, sorrow, maybe separation. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily energy. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. We pick 3 cards. So it's Ace of Pentacles in reverse, 9 of Swords and Page of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in our situation, guys, you are anxious about something, maybe some choices or some projects that you are expecting, or some choices that you made in your career, maybe some path or some financial investment, whatever your work is. So some decisions that you have made, it is simply worrying you because you don't know the outcome and you are afraid how things may turn out for you, guys. And you may be sleepless, you have that vulnerable mind today and quite emotional today, and you are afraid that certain things may go in the wrong way. So some kind of stressful situation you have today, guys, Virgos, and you may be sleepless, worried about something. And I also see that you have to be quite prepared. Maybe you may be successful in certain ventures in your life. You are in an important position today, but you have to be prepared because something is coming towards you. Maybe some sudden change in your career, or some disruption, or some kind of delays or suspensions in your work guys. So maybe for some of you, you may lose your job, or some kind of stressful situation in your career, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation, guys. For your relationship, Virgos, we have picked 3 cards again. So let's see. It is 4 of Wands, Temperance, and 7 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards for your relationship, guys, I see that you are happy today because you are maybe finding that person you love. It may be a new person, or with your person you are coming to an understanding. You have that love, compatibility, attraction and intimacy in this connection, and you are going to see the happy completion of this relationship, guys. It may progress towards marriage, and you are celebrating today. Maybe for some of you, you are getting engaged, or you are planning to get married, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your relationship, and you are able to find that balance in this connection. Maybe for some of you, you may have some stressful circumstances, some minor stressful circumstances, but you have that happiness, and you are able to find that happiness no matter what your situation is. Find that harmony, try to work this relationship, try to make it a positive working relationship. So you are putting in lots of efforts, and you are seeing that this relationship is progressing in a positive way, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. Let us see what is the card your angel guidance deck. So this is a guidance that we can follow every day, that will help us maintain that harmony in our life, guys. So let us see what is the card. Compassion. So just like the name of the card, the meaning you all know, guys, stands for compassion and healing. So in life, sometimes when we see people suffering, we recognize that suffering, but we don't know how we can respond to it. We feel sad, we want to help them, but we don't know how to help others. We just shut ourselves from others, feeling fearful or helpless, or not being sure how to help them or how to assist them. So we should not be afraid to show that compassion towards others, guys. So we have to be strong, stay strong at these difficult times. So by showing compassion to others, we also open a dialogue, speak to them, we bring people together and communities together. So this card is about that guidance, guys, to help protect and have that compassion towards others, to help each other, to be give them a warm hug, a shoulder to cry on, or time to listen to them. So however we do even that small thing, it will help to heal that person, and we will also heal ourselves in that journey. So that is what this card is about, guys, Virgos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Virgos. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.